Hello guys, I'm now standing at Wat Kinkeritam, it's called, and it is way out on the countryside in Kanchanaburi, and here they have some little different, what should we call it, mythological beings. They have tigers too, many tigers, more Buddhas. And behind me there is Buddhas in many different colors. I've never seen this before. So that is that looks very unique in my opinion. So yeah, I'm going to go inside, guys, and see what there is. It should be a pretty known temple, so I'm very excited. But anyways, see you guys soon. Have a nice day.